you are not entirely human. In fact, trillions of microscopic organisms call your body home, far outnumbering your actual human cells. Estimates vary, but for every one of your own cells, there may be as many as 1.3 bacterial cells. That means you are more them than you. But before that thought sends you scrambling for hand sanitizer, consider this. Without these bacteria, life as you know it wouldn't be possible. This invisible world, known as the human microbiome, is not just a passive collection of passengers hitching a ride. It's an active, dynamic community that influences nearly every aspect of your health, from digestion and immunity to mood and mental clarity. These bacteria reside everywhere. On your skin, in your mouth, your lungs, and especially in your gut, where they form the densest and most diverse microbial population in your body. This vast internal ecosystem is home to over 1,000 species, constantly working behind the scenes. In the gut, microbes break down fibers that human enzymes can't digest, transforming them into short-chain fatty acids, vital compounds that protect the colon, regulate inflammation, and even fuel brain cells. They also synthesize essential nutrients, such as vitamin K and certain B vitamins, that your body needs but can't produce on its own. But what's truly astonishing is how these tiny organisms talk to your brain through what scientists call the gut-brain axis. Via chemical signals like serotonin, 90% of which is actually produced in the gut, these microbes can influence your mood, memory, and even your decision-making. Over millions of years, humans and microbes have evolved together in a deeply interwoven relationship, a kind of biological handshake. You provide them with food and shelter, they, in return, help defend you against disease, fine-tune your immune responses, and even teach your body which cells to attack and which ones to leave alone. But this delicate alliance is not invincible. Disruptions to your microbiome can have wide-ranging consequences. Modern lifestyles, with their overuse of antibiotics, high intake of processed foods, and lack of dietary fiber, are reshaping the human microbiome at an unprecedented pace. Beneficial microbes die off, while opportunistic ones take over. The result? A growing body of research now links microbiome imbalances to conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, autoimmune diseases, allergies, and even mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. If you're finding this journey into the unseen world inside your body as fascinating as we do, now's a great time to support the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe for more science-rich explorations, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future episodes that uncover the strange and marvelous systems that make us who we are. Fortunately, the story doesn't end with decline. Just as our actions can disrupt the microbiome, they can also help restore it. Diet plays a central role here. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains act as fuel for beneficial bacteria, allowing them to thrive and outcompete harmful species. Fermented foods, such as yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, introduce live cultures that replenish microbial diversity. Even small lifestyle changes like spending more time in nature, reducing unnecessary antibiotic use, and managing stress have been shown to support a healthier microbiome. In fact, some scientists believe that in the near future, medicine will regularly include microbiome analysis as a standard part of diagnostics, helping to tailor treatments and diets to optimize your unique internal ecosystem. This revelation, that our health is shaped not just by human cells and genes but by trillions of microbial collaborators, forces us to redefine what it means to be human. We are not solitary beings, but superorganisms, walking, thinking habitats for an ancient biological alliance. Understanding this doesn't just change how we view our bodies, it changes how we care for them. Because to nurture your microbiome is to nurture yourself. The next time you look in the mirror, remember, the human you see is only part of the picture. The rest is an invisible world, alive and teeming, working around the clock to keep you alive, aware, and thriving.